Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to log into your Jersey tax account. For this guys, what you need to do is open up any web browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome and bring up the search bar and type in Jersey tax login and hit the enter. Make sure it takes you to the official link. Click on that link. It might take a while to loading. Now you will be taken to the new interface which is login page. Now over here you just need to enter your user ID over here. Similarly enter your password over here. And once you click on login button you will be easily access our account. In case if you forgot your password, just click on reset password by clicking on reset password button. If you don't have any account of Jersey tax, just click on Bing registration. Then you will be able to create a new account. This much for today guys. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like. And please do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest video. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.